Makareka ja maandamano janthuki mbithini bo Gen Z ni jarigaritie baingi nyuma yabo gutuma kinya rwaria rwa kigina ni ru Finance Bill 2024 rwatezanirwa murungamo juju janthuki mbithi baba ni jukinya jwatumire Rais Ruto ethirwa akiuga ari tayari kuthikira nthuki mbithi baba na kinya gwika gikaro nabo untu buria kinya ethirwe agika gikaro nabo gukurukira mutandao nikenda kubathikira ni ikarika rionanitie mwerekera jumweru kinya jwagi siasa baingi bagikatha nthuki mbithi baba ni kuringa siasa ite gutega kinya rurijo muthumuriuki na Gîchunki gya siasa
kumenya maandamano ja MBITHI baraba kumenya Gen Z na gutuma rorero Finance Bill rutejanirwa ni mutongirio mugongo kinya nyumerwa ruru kwithura rukurukite kiri mbunge nene rorero ruru nani rwa MBITHI rukijukia mukondo jumweru nyume abo kwendekithia kwithura kwino magororo kuthirikari-ini.
We are discussing issues that affect each and every one of us. Issues of taxation, debt, budget, corruption, the cost of living, unemployment, and opportunities for all Kenyans, especially our young people.
Musukumo juju jwatuma mutongirio mugongo asiumiria na kuga matagareja ya kajukia kona thirikari yawe igwita na mbere gutena kwinyiro ni marandu.
And we will be proposing to the National Assembly a budget cut of not the entire 346, but a budget cut of 177 billion and borrowing the difference. Whatever we are going to borrow, the difference will increase our fiscal deficit from what I intended to be 3.3% of our GDP. It will now go up to 4.6% of GDP. Still lower than last year.
Mojairi agobisi ankatha yawe ya munini wawe na munene wa minister ikagitwa mbesa.
Budget lines providing for the operations of the office of the First Lady, the spouse of the Deputy President, and the Prime Cabinet Secretary will be removed. Similarly, the budget provisions for confidential budgets in various executive offices, including my own office, have been removed, and the budget for renovations across government reduced by 50%.
Nalikenda ntuba bethe bona ngugi agwa gutena mtu we thirikari-ini wino kuruba miaka nkuruki 60 ageta na mbere gwita ngugi.
Henceforth, public servants who attain the retirement age of 60 shall be required to immediately proceed on retirement with no extensions to their tenure of service whatsoever. The purchase of new motor vehicles by the government is suspended for 12 months, except for security agencies, while a new policy on transport for public officers will be developed.
Nandi ngoene nandi ne kila siasa baramenete kurita mbesa kila rambe kinyabu auga burungame kile mabisa barabonde be thirikari-ini.
No state officer or public servant shall participate in public contributions or harambes going forward. The Attorney General is hereby directed to prepare and submit legislation to this effect and develop a mechanism for structured and transparent contributions for public, charitable, and philanthropic purposes.
Mutongirio mugongo akiwa kwina ndwangisha thirikari iria konda ciomba gutejanirwa buru na kinya kwa gutena ngendo itena umithio kila ritungiba thirikari.
47 state corporations with overlapping and duplicating functions will be dissolved, resulting in the elimination of their operational and maintenance costs, and their functions will be integrated into the respective line ministries. Staff currently employed by the affected corporations will be transferred to ministries and other state agencies within government. The decision to fill the position of Chief Administrative Secretaries is hereby suspended. The number of advisors in government shall be reduced by 50% within the public service with immediate effect. All non-essential travel by state and public officers is hereby suspended.
Untububu bwa maandamano bwari werune na rapo abangaro ke mutandao jwa X jwa jikene ja Twitter kitumi mutongo ndio mgongo atonyire ku nikenda kwaranira na MBITHI barabe na muthuro ndo thirikari gwitithwo na mbere gutena witi na mbere bukuonekana.
I am here as a scientist, right? And many other people are doing many things from fields they did not necessarily training, because at a certain level, it is a management issue. It is a leadership issue. It is my intention, as I made a commitment to the public, that every Kenyan must have two things: must have access to healthcare and must have access to health insurance. We must make sure that those people, even those who cannot afford NHIF, because there are many people who cannot afford the 500 we are paying at the moment.
Amana jaji on the nandi na ramon kijumbite wakana nekere abunge barabonde bakurukire finance bill ona kinya kethane tejanirwe kitumi nande minister ori music ntori arombera rwampio abunge bameru kumenya na mudhuro jwantu.
Na niombe msamaha kwa niaba ya wabunge wote wa Meru huku, right? Wale waliweza kupiga kura, na niwaambie kama wao badala ya wafukusu ama wapigiwe kelele, ni heri mimi nipigiwe kelele mimi mwenyewe, sababu mimi naweza kuelezea mambo mengine. Sababu wakati, na msidanganywe, wabunge wana makosa kubwa vile. Sababu hiyo mimi ni mkiniuliza wakati sio mhamasisha naweza kuwaeleza. Kwa vile mimi ndio nakaa katika baraza la mawaziri. Na hiyo baraza la mawaziri tulipitia ile sheria yote kabla tupeleke kule mbunge.
Indikira ikabata na Ameru babiri kumenya ni atikiri manduja jonde nandi kwena Ameru bakona ndinje akiure kira kinene makarino na kyone giki.
Tai komega kurwa ute mpio gere nyomo wanguru. Batu atongoria beto barato tieri baka indene Ameru. Kinya atokorwa ute warakia asomali ware tero kindogo. Barumere bonde nyato buo. Lakini beto batearia. Tijeke abete raba ruma yangari. Tijeke abete raba romberwa. Tijeke abete raba tulelwe maru. Lakini romba Ameru. Aili oro dhurere. Odhure muntora bore da janwa kore thina. Dagai godhuranto batora Nairobi.
Bobo na bunde bakenda bwa 10 akenya no beterete kona garuru kuburia mutongirio mugongo akethora kithithia kirithirikari yawe.
These measures will be followed by changes in government that I will be making shortly.
Muthuri Murioki, Weru TV, Gîchunki ya siasa.